Back in 2017, the winters hit hard and deep. Central New York buried fields and drifts that didn't sleep. I'd walk out to the bee-yard, boots sinking to my knees, and find my hives entombed in snowbanks up to the trees. The north wind cut like razors, ice storms bent the land. My wooden ware was groaning under winter's frozen hand. I knew if they were to make it through another bitter year, the steward had to step up, make protection crystal clear. So I built a honey hut where the winter couldn't win, open to the southern sun, warm light pouring in, shielded from the northwest winds and the heavy drift steel snow. A simple pole barn shelter where my honeybees could go. They're more than liquid gold in jars upon a shelf. They're life within the forest and the health of soil itself. Through the storms and frozen nights, they endure and thrive in the honey hut I built to keep the heart of nature alive. Years before the snow would rise and swallow every stand, hives completely buried by the weight across the land. Ice would grit the entrances, silence in the yard, winter pressing down on them, relentless, cold and hard. So posts went in the ground that year, rafters framed the sky, steel roof pitched to shed the load when blizzards thundered by. Open to the southern lights, so cleansing flights could start, but tight against the northern blasts that freeze a fragile heart. Yes, the honey hut stands where the winter loses ground. Sunlight warms the landing boards, life begins to sound. Safe from drifting snowbanks and the crushing weight of ice. A humble structure built from care, from duty and from sacrifice. They're more than honey makers, working flowers field to field. They guard the balance of the food our forests yield. Through the storms and frozen nights, they endure and thrive in the honey hut that keeps the wild world alive. They pollinate the orchards, the berries, nuts, and blooms. They weave the threads of harvest in nature's living rooms. With wasps and beetles, frogs and birds and creatures crawling low, they form a living army keeping pest populations slow. An ecosystem breathing, organic, wild, and free. Every winged feather part of nature's harmony. From reptiles in the stone walls to hawks above the trees, balance lives together, and it starts with humble bees. The footage from those early days was captured on the fly. An old GoPro recorded under a gray and cloudy sky. The picture isn't perfect, but the lesson still is clear. Protect what keeps the land alive year after year. You don't need fancy blueprints or a contractor's decree. Just a will to serve the land and help what cannot plead. The steward builds with purpose, with hard and steady hands, to guard the smallest workers that sustain our rural lands. So the honey hut stands through the fiercest winter blows, sun to the south, to the north, the cold wind never goes. Underneath its shelter, life hums quietly inside, waiting for the thawing earth and springtime's turning tide. They're more than golden sweetness, shining amber in the light. They are keepers of the balance, making ecosystems right. Through the storms and frozen nights, they endure and thrive in the honey hut that keeps the countryside alive. Snow may fall in silence, ice may claim the trees, but warmth lives in the shelter, and hope lives in